This is what a soft glam should look like. 10 over 10. If you got the glow, like, I'm obsessed with it. Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in today's video, we'll be doing a soft glam, a glam that you can carry to anywhere, very soft. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. So let's just go into today's video. Okay, to do a soft glam makeup, make sure that your face is well prepped. You see how dewy my face is looking right now? That is how your face should look. And in case you don't know how to prep your skin based on your skin type, I have a playlist on that. I'll just put it here for you. Make sure you check it out. So we are first starting with our foundation. Let me just take this to the side so that it won't be on our way. It's a soft glam, guys, so everything has to be soft. So I'm starting out with my foundation. I'll be putting that on my face. It's like this foundation is a bit dark for me, but I'll use my concealer to bring it out. Oh, it's not, it's too dark for me. Let me try and mix that up a bit by adding just a bit of this lighter shade. Because I'm done, because I don't like so many foundation. If you have been following my tutorials, you will know exactly how to work with your foundation, even when they seem to be darker or the skin tone is not the same. So to blend, I'm using my beauty blender. And for this kind of soft glam, you don't need foundation on your forehead. You don't even need foundation on your forehead on a normal day. Talk more of when you want a soft glam. So all you need to do is just to go over there with whatever that is left on your beauty blender. Whatever you have left on your beauty blender, that is what you're putting on your forehead. No extra foundation. Moving on to contour my face, I won't be doing too much because this foundation is not light enough and is likely to get darker later because this product normally oxidizes. Just that I just got this one, so I haven't used it. I don't know if it's going to oxidize or not. You see that little, and make sure you blend it out properly. And of course, your forehead, you need to contour your forehead, even though you did not put foundation there. Now moving to the sides of the nose, make sure you contour that as well. Oh my god, I don't know where this thing is going to, but like you know, like I said, this thing is soft glam. Don't overdo anything. Just little is okay, okay? Little is okay. Use shades that you can easily blend out. Yes, use shades that you can easily blend out. Now for our blush, because it is a soft glam, I wouldn't advise you to make use of red, except you're very dark. So I want you to make use of pink, soft pink, peach, and then soft orange. These are the three shades you should use if you want your glam to be soft. So me, I'm using a soft pink. You know where to put this, just on top of your contour area. I'm blending, you guys know, with this part. So let's blend. And I always take my blush up. Okay. Now that the blush is done, yes, so this is my clothes. I hope I'm not showing cleavage. I hate to show cleavage. I don't know why. I don't know why I hate it. I don't like it. So the blush is done. So I'm moving on to my concealer. I will use two concealers for this look. This one, and then here is that lighter shade of concealer. Going on to put my concealer on my face right now. You guys know how to highlight your face perfectly now. I have a video on that, so in case you don't know how to do it, just go to the channel. You will see that video right there. It will teach you how to do it. Okay, so my face is darker than my body today, but I'm gonna use concealer to bring it out. But I don't know, maybe after filming this video now I will notice that my face is lighter, because this is what the camera does to me. I don't know, or maybe because my phone is not that nice. I don't know. You see how that blends? That's one thing I love about this concealer. It blends in seamlessly. Seamlessly. Let me contour this forehead well though. Let me blend it well before I'll be seeing one light stuff there when I'm done recording. And then for the under eye, I'm done blending out that shade, so I am just going to add just a dot of this light one. This concealer is almost whitish, just little. To blend this one Yosha that I added here, this lighter shade that I added here, I don't want it everywhere. I just want my under eye to be bright. Yes. And please, before you start blending your concealer, you should have your setting powder handy. Yes. I always say that in all my videos. This is the setting powder I'll be using. Can you guys see? From Miracle Cosmetics. And I didn't show you the foundation I use. This is foundation I use, V Beauty. I mixed these two shades, though I just used just a bit of this one. That's why I look darker, because this one is actually lighter than me, and I didn't come home with my perfect shade, so I have to mix. So I use V Beauty foundation, and I use the Blossom concealer. Shibi, what's their name before? Yes, Blossom makeup concealer, spotless. The face is properly set. The next thing we'll be needing now is our setting spray. Setting spray will help all this makeup you just put on your face, all these liquid products, to sink into the skin. It will just calm everything down before you continue. So let's just move on with the setting spray. So with that done, we move on to our powder, just to make sure that everything is perfectly in place. So we start off by using a darker shade on the places where we contoured. Now, why do your contour? If you added a lot of liquid contour, why doing this part? Just add little, so that you won't end up looking somehow, so that the contour won't be standing out so much. Don't forget, it's a soft glam. Okay, you have to make everything to be soft, just soft. Then for your under eye, you can use a lighter shade, but me, I'm using my normal shade of powder because I used a very light concealer. So next thing you're going to do now is to do your brows, fill in your brows. First of all, you use your setting powder to make that place to be matte, so that whatever pencil you want to use will print so well. This is the pencil we are going to use to fill in our brows. This is Davis number 3. So we are done with that. It's time for eyeshadow. To do your eyeshadow, first of all, you need to blend here. Make sure that it is properly blended. Then you go in with your eyeshadow primer. Don't use too much of it. I'm using Ben 9 Crown White, just little of it, and then you blend it out. Before we do the eyeshadow proper, we need to bake the face, so that if you have eyeshadow fallout, it won't ruin our makeup. It will be on this setting powder, so that we can easily dust it off. That's it. So I start by reversing. You have to reverse the contour, so that your nose will be snatched. So for the eyeshadow, it's a soft glam, so we are going to be starting with something soft. We just need
in front of the mirror, lights low and bright. It's showing shadow, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. The toe wheels that shine like stars in the night. Joy and shadow, where beauty meets the vibe. Your makeup game
The eyeshadow is giving this white wedding eyeshadow look. You just need some pigments on it and then you're good to go. So let's just dust off this thing that we put here. Next is to line our eyes. So we want a soft glam. You just need black liner, and of course you don't need wings. You don't need it, okay? You don't need it. So I'm done with lining. For my mascara, make sure you use your mascara to get rid of any eyeshadow fallout on your natural lashes, okay? So for this type of look, please, you don't need full lash, all those thick ones and long ones. No, you just need a lash that is just simple, moderate, okay? We are trying to make everything look soft. Using our darker shade of powder. There was a whole lot fixing this lashes. My nails have grown, guys. Add a finishing powder under the eye. And then every other part of the face you feel like. It's time for powder blush. You guys know me, I'm blush, but this time we just have to be conscious because we want a soft glam. Don't do too much, just little, just little of it. And you can use orange for this finishing part. Next thing is your sheet glaze for extra shine, so that your face won't be that matte, excessively matte. No, make sure you use your chic glaze. So for my highlight, I'm just going to add here, bridge of my nose. Should that's what here is called, bridge of the nose. After adding your highlighter, make sure you blend it out. Don't just carry it like that as a single line. Or I'm not seeing this highlighter, or is it my lights? But I don't want, oh, woo! I've added too much anyways. We'll blend that out. And then here, moving on to our lips, we have to first of all line with this pencil. If your lip is very small, this is the opportunity you have to make it bigger. You can overline it. After lining, we go in with our brown shade. Let's go in with this nude shade. This time I'm not putting it only at the lower part. Then at the upper part, you're putting it everywhere and you're smart. If you don't want to blend, if you don't have strength to blend, you're smart. But me, I find blending easier. Yeah. So the last thing you'll be needing is your setting spray to bring everything together. So just spray. Make sure the spray got to every part of the face, and of course you allow that to dry. So with that, we come to the end of this class. Look what we created. See, this is what a soft glam should look like. 10 over 10 minus nothing. If you got the glow, like, I'm obsessed with this look. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, please. I am begging you. Until I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.
Lifestyle tips that help you come alive. Join shadow where dreams collide. Brush in my hand, I paint the day anew. Draw shadow, shadow makes the sky less blue. Lifestyle treasure shared with heart so true. A place for everyone, for me and for you. Join shadow where beauty meets the vibe.